You can generate high-quality homebuyer leads by providing educational content that empowers buyers to make informed decisions. This not only increases your brand awareness, but it also establishes you as a trusted expert in your field. Check this out. You can create social media posts or ads like this by using a simple software like Canva. This is going to drive traffic to your down payment assistance funnel, where people are going to learn about down payment assistance and then see if they could qualify by taking the quiz. As they answer the qualifying questions, the quiz is generating a long form lead so that they can get the instant results on the video page at the end of the quiz. Now your prospects come to the down payment assistance educational video that talks to them about their eligibility requirements and the next steps moving forward. The video explains how they've just been sent a free action plan email, and if they have any questions, they can use the Ask Me Anything chat block. Or they can go ahead and set up a free action plan appointment right here. If the prospect takes either of these two actions, you will get an email notification. And those email notifications are tracked right here in your included CRM. Now, speaking of emails, this is the automation that's set up so that when they complete the quiz, the email is triggered, and it's all about the path to homeownership starting here. It shows them general program qualifications, it talks to them about the next steps, and invites them again to set up that free consultation if they have any questions.